Hi everyone, I'm Eddie. Welcome back to KE Kitchen Cabinets. As an export-focused cabinetry manufacturer, we understand that factory quality control has a direct impact on site efficiency. In this video, we'll walk you through the factory inspection process for the Brookfield Road. This is the Brookfield Road House joinery package for an Australian residential project. The project scope includes the kitchen, butler's pantry, and walk-in closet. For the kitchen and pantry cabinetry, the specification includes E1 moisture-resistant particle board, warm white melamine carcasses, and flat woodgrain laminate fronts. The hardware package includes Blum soft closing hinges, Blum full extension TANDEMBOX drawers, and a pull-out trash bin. The walk-in closet uses 18mm woodgrain melamine panels, hanging rails, shelving, and soft closing drawer hardware. Before export packing, the complete package is checked against the approved production drawings, material schedule, and finish references. We'll begin by checking the completed cabinetry against the approved production drawings. After reviewing the project scope, our QC team checks the cabinetry against the approved production drawings. For the Brookfield Road House project, we measure the overall width, height, internal openings, and key module dimensions before packing. We also inspect door and drawer alignment, horizontal lines and gaps between adjoining panels. Tall cabinets and larger wardrobe sections receive extra attention, as small dimensional differences can affect how the modules line up on site. The walk-in closet components are checked for internal width and cabinet layout. These checks confirm that the joinery package follows the approved drawings before export delivery. After confirming the cabinet dimensions, our QC team checks the actual panel thickness with a caliper. For the kitchen and butler's pantry cabinetry, the specified cabinet and door panels are 16mm thick. We check the panel at different positions to confirm that the finished material matches the approved production specification before packing. Once the panel specification is confirmed, we continue with the hardware function and alignment checks. After confirming the panel thickness, our QC team checks the main hardware functions before packing. For the Brookfield Road House project, we test the Blum soft closing hinges, full extension TANDEMBOX drawers, and a pull-out trash bin. Each moving component is opened and closed to review smooth travel, soft closing performance, clearance, stability, and front alignment. We also compare the aluminum bar handle with the pre-drilled holes to confirm that the hole spacing and handle position match the approved drawings. These factory checks help reduce avoidable adjustment work for the builder's local installation team after delivery. After the factory inspection is completed, the Brookfield Road House joinery package is prepared for export delivery. The cabinets and panels are packed in RTA or flat pack form according to the project requirements. Each package is labeled with the project name, area, cabinet number, description, size, quantity, and package number. Handling marks are also added for transportation and site receiving. Clear labeling helps the builder's team identify each item, check the delivery against the packing list, and coordinate more efficiently with the local installation team. With the cabinetry inspected, protected, and clearly labeled, the Brookfield Road House joinery package is ready for the next stage of export delivery. From drawing and dimension checks to panel thickness, hardware function, finish matching, and export labeling, every step for the Brookfield Road House joinery package was completed before shipment. For Australian builders, this factory QC process helps reduce avoidable site issues and supports clearer coordination with the builder's local installation team. Thank you to our client and project partners for their trust, and to our factory, QC, packing, and logistics teams for their careful work. KE Kitchen Cabinets, factory-made project joinery for Australian builders.